When it comes to the Bible, the book of John is particularly rich in powerful verses that offer spiritual guidance and inspiration. Here are a few notable ones. John 3:16 For God so loved the world, that he gave his, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have eternal life. This verse is often considered the cornerstone of Christian faith, emphasizing God's love and the promise of salvation through Jesus. John 14:6 Jesus said to him, I am the way, and the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. This verse reflects Jesus' claim to be the exclusive path to God, highlighting his divinity and the necessity of faith in him. John 1:1 In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word Jesus as divine, emphasizing his eternal existence alongside God and his role in creation. John 8:12 Again Jesus spoke to them, saying, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk in darkness, but will the light of life. This verse portrays Jesus as the guiding light, hope, clarity, and salvation to those who follow. John 15:13 Greater love has no one than this, that someone lay down his for friends. Verse encapsulates the self-sacrificial love of Jesus, recognizing his ultimate act of love by laying down his life for humanity. These are just a few of the meaningful verses found in the book of John. The Bible is a vast source of wisdom and exploring it further can provide even